Downloading data to USB from the FTS Axiom Datalogger. Make sure the USB memory stick is plugged in. Downloaded data will be put onto the stick by the datalogger. An error will result if you try to download data without the USB stick plugged in. The USB stick can be inserted into either of the two ports labeled USB host. From the home screen, tap Data. The Data Status screen appears. It displays a summary of the data logged that is stored to local memory in the datalogger. Tap Download. Select the range of date and time for which you wish to download data. By default, the entire span of time for which data has been stored is selected. In this example, it is a relatively short range of dates. To make it easier to select useful date ranges, the Date Range drop-down contains a number of common options. If date ranges covering the last month, week, or day are suitable for your purpose, you can select one of these options from the drop-down. The from and to date times are set accordingly. You can fine-tune these values after the drop-down sets them. Alternatively, you may simply set from and to date times without using the drop-down. Several options are available for CSV downloads. The format of date-time values in the download can be set. This setting is saved by the datalogger and will be used the next time the screen is visited. Select whether to include units in the download. This setting is not saved by the datalogger. By default, all variables in the database are exported, which is to say downloaded. To export only a subset of the available variables, set the Only Export Selected Variables checkbox. Then tap Select Variables. The Select Variables screen appears. To add a variable to be exported, select it in the Available Variables list on the left, then tap Add. It is moved from the Available Variables list to the Variables to Export list on the right. To remove a variable from the Variables to Export list, select it and tap Remove. It is moved from the Variables to Export list to the Available Variables list. When the desired list of variables to export has been set up, tap OK. The Download Data screen reappears. To begin downloading, tap OK. The CSV exporting message appears showing the progress of the download. It may take several minutes for a large amount of data to be downloaded. When the download is complete, a message appears showing the file and location on the stick where the download was placed. Tap OK to dismiss the message. The Download Data screen briefly appears. The Data Status screen reappears. To close, tap Home.